I had an absolute blast in putting these labs together for us, and I hope you enjoyed them as well. And I'd like to wrap this up with just 4 review questions that we're going to do right now regarding the things we've practiced in the hands-on lab. So without further ado, question number 1. What are 3 ways to exit if we're in global configuration mode at the CLI on a Cisco router? And the answers are Control-Z will do it, the word exit will do it, and the word end will do it. They'll all take us out of global configuration mode. All right, so on to question number 2. What causes the previous command that was issued at the CLI on a Cisco router or switch, what causes that to show up once again on the CLI? And we have 4 choices. They are all arrow keys, up, down, left, and right. And the answer to this is the up arrow key. That repeats our previous command, brings it up again, and that can save us some typing. All right, on to question number 3. When configuring a banner message, how does the iOS know you are done? And the banner message then becomes part of the running configuration. Here are 4 choices. Take a look, answer to the best of your ability, and we'll be right back to compare notes. And based on the training we've had up to this point and also the hands-on labs to reinforce it, it's this one, answer C right here. The delimiting character is repeated. So if we typed in banner, space, MOTD, and then we use the character of, let's use capital Q, pressed enter, then we start typing, blah, 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 enter, enter, enter. And then once it sees that delimiting character again, the repeating of that delimiting character of the Q, after we press enter, it knows, oh, he's done, and it takes everything up to that point as our new banner message. So it actually could have been a dollar symbol if we used the dollar symbol originally as our delimiting character. But the accurate answer here is C. And we've got one more, and here it is. How could you reduce the impact of a timeout due to a typo at the CLI? What do you think? Take a look at these 4 choices, pick one, and we'll be right back. And the answer here is D, no IP domain lookup. So if we did a ping to ABC, literally that we typed in ABC, it would try to resolve that to an IP address, and that's going to cause a timeout. So we can avoid that completely without having to do a break or anything else, just by issuing the global config command no IP domain -lookup, which tells the router, hey, don't bother doing DNS lookups. So that's the end of this section of our hands-on labs and the review questions for those labs. But check this out. We've got lots of great content still coming and lots of great hands-on lab to help reinforce those concepts as we go. So until I see you again in another video or lab, I hope this has been informative for you, and I'd like to thank you for viewing.